Okay, honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree have so many new items, especially makeup, okay, the concealer for us color girls, okay? Honey, you do not want to miss this. So this is definitely new. This eyeshadow, long lasting and smooth applicator. Okay, it looks very, very pigmented. Okay, $1.25. This is not bad at all. Now, and I showed you guys this in one of my previous videos, okay, the pressed finishing powder, okay, it's supposed to give you that, you know, that camera look, okay, this is the before and I guess this is the after, provides translucent coverage and blurs pores, translucent or skin tones. Dollar Tree also have these sprinkles face masks, okay, really, really cute. And then they also have the glitter jelly face mask. Really, really cute. I absolutely love Dollar Tree face masks. They look so, so fancy. These mermaid face masks. Cute. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such an amazing day. If not, do understand and get that your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. So today, we are back at Dollar Tree just to do a walkthrough. I want to see what all they have in store. Honey, it's really the hunt for me. Okay? All right? I love, love, love going to Dollar Tree because every time I go there, they always surprise me. Okay? It's almost, it feels like they just be waiting for me to get there. You get what I'm saying, child? Okay. So, with that being said, let's go inside. Okay, so the item of the week is these chocolate Yoo-Hoos. Oh my goodness, I remember the Yoo-Hoos used to come in a glass jars. Ooh, child, glass bottles was so, so good. Then they also have these animal crackers. I had showed you guys these last time. This is so, so cute to me, this tray. And they also have the plates to it. I don't know if they have the plates here to this tray, but some Dollar Trees do have the plates to the tray. They also have these 10-pack mini chocolate chip cookies. Honey, I could have came here to get my children snacks. Okay, and then also the chocolate sandwich cream cookies, the dupe of Oreos. Should have came here. Dollar Tree also have these paper plates right here and these bowls right here. I know that's right. Thankful, honey. You should be thankful every day. No matter what's going on in your life, honey, you always have something to be grateful and thankful for. Okay, they also have these cups right here. I absolutely love these cups, especially the handle, oh, honey, the turquoise handle. Having a brain freeze, okay? Then they also have these flower sack towels, okay? I only see one and it says Death by Candy. Honey, what they trying to say? Okay, you eating too much sugar. What they trying to say? Death by Candy, honey, you better pay attention. And then they also have these saucers, these little plates right here that says thankful as well. Okay, same exact thing. The dish drying mat, okay, the oven mittens and the pot holders. They also have these cups right here, the saucers, and then the larger plates. So I am really, really shocked that they still have these cups here because these cups, they look so, so good. And then they also have these cups up here. All right, and then the cups up here that is really, really good for like hot beverages. These Ghostbusters socks, they look cute. Okay, especially this one right here. That looks really, really cute. I'm trying to see if they have those socks that a lot of people have been talking about, like the little cartoon socks. Oh, well, I see Tootsie Pops. Okay. Oh, cats and dogs. Who remember cats and dogs? Okay. All right. So these are $1.25, of course. Then they also have Good Burger. Very, very cute. So I had mentioned this spray, linen and broom spray, before. This spray, it smells so, so good. Okay. If you go to your local Dollar Tree and they have this, you may want to grab you one because it smells really, really good. Okay, so right now I had showed you guys in a previous video that Dollar Tree pretty much have the Christmas decor out, okay, and they supposed to be bringing more stuff out for Christmas. It is really, really soon, okay, because it's just September, but they are not wasting any time. They have these cute trees right here, and I absolutely love these trees over here. And then they also have the plush, the Elf on the Shelf right here. Really, really cute. So these makeup bags are so, so cute. And they come different designs, different colors. I absolutely love the Shine Bright makeup bag. And then they also have this pink one over here that says Let's Go. Really, really cute. I absolutely love these. And you wouldn't really think that you got these from Dollar Tree because just the way they look. Honey, they look fancy to me. What about you? Also, last time I had showed you guys the nails, the new nails that Dollar Tree have been getting lately. There's Pretty Woman Folks nails that comes in the plexiglass case. I'm really, really impressed. Now, these nails right here, I absolutely love them. It has that matte finish. Really, really cute. Okay, so I had showed you guys this last time, the Age Defy Dark Circle and Puffiness Serum. Okay, instant 3-in-1 treatment, dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. All right, I guess it's like a little border that is, it has green tea extract in there, and you just rub it like up under your eyes and stuff like that. If you have used this, let me know in the comment, y'all. How was this? Now, and I showed you guys this in one of my previous videos, okay, the pressed finishing powder, okay, it's supposed to give you that, you know, that camera look, okay, this is the before, and I guess this is the after, provides translucent coverage and blurs pores, translucent or skin tones. Then they also have this full coverage concealer. I was very, very impressed when I had seen Dollar Tree with this. Oh my goodness. I was like, come through Dollar Tree, okay, doing it for the color girls, okay. This is very, very cute. So they have a few shades, okay. They have the 121, the 117. The 117 is for like lighter skin. And then they also have, that's all I see. Oh, and it's, I see the 121 and the 117 only. I see, oh, and they also have the 120. Okay, this is pretty much the 120. This is really, really good concealer, light and creamy, or light and creamy concealer, okay, for us color girls, all right? Then they also have, I had showed you guys this last time, the lip duo, okay, with the lipstick. And not only do you get the lipstick, honey, but you also get the lip gloss, okay? It comes in different colors. They also have the makeup correcting gel pen. Really, really cute. I had showed you guys this last time, the infused with rose oil. I haven't tried this yet, but it looks very interesting. And then they also have this new lip gloss, okay, moisturizing lip gloss. So it comes in this color, and then it comes in these colors up here. Okay, another color right there. They also have this coconut hydrate lip balm. Okay, and I'm looking for the Vaseline sticks, okay, which is a dupe. I'm looking for that one, but I don't see it. Okay, so they definitely brought this bag. I'm trying to see what this puts me in a mind of, because this is definitely a dupe. Okay, but they brought this back because I remember a few months ago they had this, and then I didn't see it no more, but they definitely brought it back. So this is hydrating lotion, illuminating lotion, hydrating lotion, and then they have this one right here, collagen, revitalizing body lotion. So they have like about 3 different types. Okay, so the only retinol skincare that I have used from Dollar Tree is the Amazon dupe. That retinol is really, really good. So it comes like in a little glass bottle with a squeezer. I don't know the applicator thing you call it, but that little glass jar is really, really good. So I can only imagine how this retinol skin cream is. This is anti-aging, okay. And then they also have these right here, the Lift and Firm eye cream right here. Honey, Dollar Tree is okay with me. You hear what I'm saying? So I had showed you guys this before, these tissues, okay, that's infused with lavender. This looks interesting. I love me some lavender. But Dollar Tree also have this Brazilian mist right here, and then this Power Stick All Day Fresh body spray, and then they have some more over here, Brazilian mist. Okay, when I tell you I am impressed with Dollar Tree when it comes to stuff like this, especially this hair mousse, $1.25. Then they also have the White Rain hair mousse, hair hair mousse. Okay, $1.25. Honey, it don't want to come out. Then they also have the Pro Growth oil, which is 100% natural. These are $1.25 as well. They also have the cocoa butter oil, and then also the shea butter. Now, last time I was in Dollar Tree and I had seen one of these, I did get the oh gosh, you know what I mean, the castor oil, the castor oil one like this, and those went really, really quick. They do have, oh my goodness, so they have this hair mask right here. I haven't seen this since the last time I had showed you guys this in my previous videos. This hair mask is papaya and coconut oil. These come in different smells, okay? So bamboo fiber restores and thickens, and then they also have the shea butter and coconut, which hydrates and revives. Honey, Dollar Tree is doing it for me. And then they also have these little cute hair masks, okay, as volume and shine. Okay, so these bows right here, I absolutely love these bows. For $1.25, you cannot beat this, okay? And these come in gray, and they also have the white one. I would prefer like the black ones, or if they could bring the turquoise color looking ones, honey, that would be fine with me. Okay, so Dollar Tree have these low cut socks. I absolutely love these socks, especially for the winter time. These are so cute. These low cut socks, and they come in about 3 different designs. I absolutely love the skull. My oldest son said to me the other day, he said, "What is it with you and these skulls?" Honey, I'm just, right now I just like the skulls, okay? These little crafters square craft bottles, these are really, really cute. These are nice. Okay, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. I catch you guys on the next one. Let me know what was your favorite item in there. For me, it's definitely the new lip gloss that they have, and then also the concealer that they have for the color girls. All right, so I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.